It's a big one. It's a big shark. Did you see? Princess, did you see the shark?
Ano mangyari mo?
Nabasag na yun dati? Napuno ng tubig ang mga tindahan. Sabi mo si Princess. Ay, tignan mo yung mukha nung stingray. Lumapit siya. What's that? Can you see there's small fish down? There's small fishes down. Buti hindi sila kinakain ng shark, no?